talk politics, but we stand for humanitarian values and of course condemn the killing of innocent civilians on both sides of the Gaza conflict. The 200 plus on one side and 33,000 plus on the other side.
As Dr. Asif Mohyeddin just mentioned, the raging war in Gaza, the raging genocide in Gaza is heartbreaking for all of us. As human beings, as physicians, we are all deeply affected by this tragedy.
As you know that what's happening in Gaza, you guys know it very well, but what I have seen it on the ground, it was very different. It was many more. I think I'm not ever been, what I witnessed in Gaza is not something that I can ever adequately put into words, not something I will ever forget.
Myself and my hard-working members of Host Committee have put together lots of efforts and countless hours to organize an event to tell you an exciting time and also raise the bar and reputation of Pakistan, which is presenting approximately 18 to 20,000 physicians of Pakistani origin.
Dedicated their lives to doing medical education, community service here and abroad, and have civically engaged our communities. I am forever grateful in the ways in which you all show up to make sure our communities are taken care of.
But one thing I know, I've been here for over 30 years in the United States. What I've seen, our friendship circle is keep growing. We, congresswomen and senators, used to shy away from our events. And now, not only one, two, so many of them.
I also want to thank Dr. Tariq Bhatt for the invitation to join the Association of Physicians of Pakistani Descent of North America's spring meeting here in Chicago. And I want you to know that I made some calls to the weather people to make sure that you would have great weather while you're here. You're welcome.
You know, sometimes it's rough working in Congress because I can't believe that the vast majority of members of Congress are in support of war crimes.
Let me start my remarks by congratulating Khapni. This spring meeting in Chicago particularly, I think that this is very successful. The number of people who are here in this room, I was told that the number is about 570, this is a big number.
इस वक्त मेरे साथ डॉक्टर आसिफ मोइनुद्दीन मौजूद है। आइए से स्प्रिंग मीटिंग के हवाले से इनके ख्यालात सुनते हैं।
जी, थैंक यू अंसार रज़ी साहब, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी। आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि अपना जो है पाकिस्तानी डॉक्टर्स की सबसे बड़ी तंजीम है, बल्कि कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तानी डायस्पोरा की सबसे बड़ी तंजीम है जो कि एक एसोसिएशन बनी है हमारी।
कौंसल जनरल ऑफ पाकिस्तान शिकागो तारिक करीम साहब मौजूद हैं। आइए इनसे आज की जो अपना की स्प्रिंग मीटिंग थी इसके मुतालिक इनके ख्यालात पूछें।
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसे कि आपने जिक्र किया अपना की स्प्रिंग मीटिंग की और शिकागो में हुई। ये बड़े अरसे के बाद शिकागो में अपना की इतनी बड़ी मीटिंग हुई।
मुझे ये कहने में बड़ी मसरत महसूस हो रही है कि हमारी ये मीटिंग जो कि हर साल जो है 3 अपना मीटिंग मुनक़िद करता है स्प्रिंग की, समर में और फॉल की मीटिंग, तो इस सिलसिले की ये इस साल की पहली मीटिंग थी, जो कि काफ़ी जो है अपना के जो मेम्बरान हजरात हैं उन्होंने शिरकत की, जो कि शिकागो से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले और पूरे अमेरिका से इसमें हमारे मेम्बरान ने शिरकत की।
मेरे साथ डॉक्टर फौजिया अलवी हैं जो कैलगरी कनाडा से आई हैं। ये मेडिकल मिशन इनकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लीड करती है, 2 दफ़ा ये खुद होकर आई हैं और इनका 5वां मिशन इज़ ऑन द ग्राउंड इन गज़ा। आई वुड लाइक हर टू टेल यू लिटिल बिट अबाउट व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन गज़ा एंड हाउ वन कैन पार्टिसिपेट।
Thank you. I'm here in Apna Spring event, and I think while we are busy with our life, we should not forget about Gaza. What's happening with Gaza these days?
सब मेरे साथ एम्बेसडर पाकिस्तान टू यूएस से सरदार मसूद खान साहब मौजूद हैं। आइए इनसे आज की अपना की स्प्रिंग से मुतालिक उनके ख्याल सुनते हैं।
अपना की ये मीटिंग जो है स्प्रिंग मीटिंग जो है बहुत कामयाब है। यहाँ मुझे बताया गया है कि आज इस इज्तिमा में 570 के करीब लोग मौजूद हैं, जिनकी गालिब अक्सरियत डॉक्टर्स की, फिजिशंस की है।
We have set 2 major goals in our side, that we have to arrange best of the best sessions by paying attention to the fine details.
I want to acknowledge past presidents of Apna, a treasure for Apna. These gentlemen have traveled to be here, and they are a treasure. We always look up to them for guidance.
Diseases have different outcomes. So if you have a person with breast cancer, it turns out if you're black or brown in this country, you have a 3 times, 4 times higher chance of dying.
This gentleman, he has a passion to build in the hall a world-class teaching hospital worth $75 million, and he's looking for talent, expertise, professors from America.
देखिए हम जितने भी एक्सपेट्रिएट्स हैं, स्पेशली जो डॉक्टर्स हैं, लाइफ के एक स्टेज में आता है कि हम अपने मुल्क को कुछ वापस करना चाहते हैं, जो मुल्क के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं।
Second thing I would say that I want to thank Apna management for giving me the opportunity to come here and talk about my passion, about my vision.
PBS is one of the most exciting chapter of Apna. As Dr. Hassan Mohyuddin will say, I've been sitting with him all evening, and he's one of the most wonderful president of Apna.
एसोसिएशन ऑफ मिशिगन जिसका नाम ABP था, वो फेडरल गवर्नमेंट से रजिस्टर्ड थी। तो they decided, and PBS said, okay, we're gonna merge and become the first chapter of Apna. So that's how Apna got formed.
The whole community comes together, and of course everyone has worked hard and helped us to arrange this meeting, but there are some things which stands out, and they went above and beyond.
know this type of exercise is going to help increase, like if we're specifically looking at, they have a 95% block in the circ.
Compared to what you actually bring up today is on individual basis with every patient within 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes.
कि जो पाकिस्तान का शहरी है, जिसके पास शनाख्ती कार्ड है, जिसके पास पासपोर्ट, हरा पासपोर्ट है, उसके हुकूक वही होने चाहिए, खा वो सुन्नी मुसलमान हो, शिया मुसलमान हो, अहमदी हो, हिंदू हो, पारसी हो, ईसाई हो, जो भी।
अल्टरनेटिव विजन या इमेजिनेशन पाकिस्तान के बारे में होनी चाहिए, जो कि सोचनी चाहिए हमें कि वो उसके क्या खदोखाल होंगे मुस्तकबिल के हवाले से।
The all speakers spend the time 90%, more than 90%, on basically telling us once again what is wrong. Please spend 90% of the time to guide us what is the way out and how to basically reach here. This is one of the questions.
I see patients, like few hours, total maybe 15 hours a week.
In terms of experience, it comes later. So if we can get them started to, for example, exercise, for most clients and patients, they kind of know what they want to do. So if we tell them like you have to use weights and a certain amount, then they might not follow through.